In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a Booking.com listing. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is log into your account at admin.booking.com. Once you're done, head over to the top where these different tabs are and select the inbox tab. Then select the second option which says Booking.com messages. Afterwards, scroll all the way down and on the right side, look for something which says can't find what you need. Select this option which says see contact options. Then on the right side of the bottom, select accounts, password, contacts, channel manager, devices, terminate contract. Then select the second last option where it says terminate contract, select property, temporary, and permanent closure. So now it says terminate contract, we're sorry to see you go, select terminate contract. Then it's going to ask you for a reason as to why you want to terminate your contract with them. Select this option, this drop-down option, and then select any reason that you want. I'm going to say my property is no longer available. Select next. Why isn't your property available anymore? I want to use it privately. Then select next. And it's going to give you some information about what's going to happen when you terminate your contract. Select yes, I want to terminate my contract with Booking.com for that specific listing and acknowledge the consequences listed above. Then select this red option which says terminate my contract. So now it says that this specific listing is now closed on our site. It can take up to 14 days to complete your contract termination. And they're going to email you confirmation once your contract termination is complete. And there you go. That is how you can delete a Booking.com listing. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.